Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 3. Now you see question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 577,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 348,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? It is very easy that the registered candidate registered vote 577,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 348,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? That means you have to subtract the number, right? The successful candidate here, the solution will be like this. The successful candidate registered registered 577,500 votes, right? And his nearest rival, rival secured 348,700 votes. 700 votes. That means we have to subtract this number, right? Now by subtracting we are getting that is 0 0 7 8 15 carry 1 8 1 9 9 8 17 carry 1 4 and 5 6 7 that is 2 2 and 3 4 5 2. That means the comma will be here. Now there will be after 3 digits there will be 1 comma here and here, right? This comma, I am erasing this comma, that is erasing this one I am erasing, right? Now let me see 2,28,800. That means the question is, by what margin did the successful candidate win? The successful candidate, the answer will be the successful candidate, the successful candidate won by 2,28,800 votes. Right, this is the answer. Now again I am explaining this one, that is the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. That means we have to subtract the number to get by what margin did the successful candidate won the election. Therefore by subtracting we are getting 2,28,800. Therefore the successful candidate won by 2,28,800 votes. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you everybody for watching this video.